Hello everybody. So today we are gonna look at this tool called Netprobe. So what it does is it simply measure the ISP performance. So so if you are using the internet, so you definitely want to check the internet speed. So this tool allow you to monitor the packages and the ping as well as the latency and the jitter. So basically, what you need to do is to set up this tool. Uh, is first of all, let's open the terminal. So here we have the terminal, and just search for Docker. So let's wait for it. And so this process might take an hour or two because it needs to download a lot of images. So first of all, you need to download the Docker. So sudo apt install. So it would be Docker as well as the Docker Compose. So you have to uh, uh, install those two packages. After installing it, so this might take a while. So next step is to clone the repo. So if I just do git clone uh, clone, right, and that would be the, so let me just show you the uh, so that would be inside code, then https. So if we just copy this, right, and so we have the command and we do http. So I don't want to paste it, so I just want to github.com/plain text package. So if you just let me just paste it. So it would look like this. So I have already installed I have already downloaded the Netprobe. So if we just do cd and then you need to do net drop. So we are inside the Netprobe. So here you would see the compose file. So if you want to modify anything, so if I just do LA, so here we need, if I just show you the environment, so right. So here so how this Netprobe works is it's ping on this DNS. So we have the Google one, so we have the Cloudflare one, and if you want to change your own DNS, so that would be on line this one. So you would want to change this DNS. So next one is, so this one is all default one, so it's better not to change it because it might break a system. So now you are inside here, right? So next one would be the you do docker dash it would be compose, then you would do docker compose on. So you would see the screen so like this. We just do this. So this might take a while to do that. So for me it took like 1 hour. So for this total installation, so you would want to see the grafana. So here so basically you want to change the port address that this Netprobe is running on. So what you want to do is to go inside the compose file, compose.yaml. So if we do compose.yml, so here we have the ports 301 to 300. So that would be here So this one is the default port. So let me just do IPA. So that will show the Docker IP address that has been running on. So it would be this 172 172.7.0.1, and this two machine is running on. So that would be Docker one, right? And we have this. So if we go on the browser, you would see the uh, interface like this. So here we have the Grafana. So here the default ID and password will be admin and admin. So if I just save it, right? So you want to change the password because so let's do that. So if I just do admin 123, so uh, admin 123. So if I just do save it, save it. So here, let's wait for it to load. Uh, so here we have the uh, home, and let's go on the dashboard. So here we have the Netprobe. So if we just click it, so here you would see the internet quality score and the packet loss, and we have so we have the packet loss, right, and latency, so and the jitterness. So in order to see this graph efficiently, right, you just have to connect through the Ethernet and let it collect the data of your ISP. So and over the time, right, over the time. So here you can see the add button, add visualization. If we just add the visualization, that would be so we don't have that. So if we just go on connection, so we are connected to lots of things. So that would be Google Analytics. So here you can see what it's. So our main focus is on our dashboard. So we have the network. So now it's collecting its data. So it would be like this, and uh, so this is how it looks. So this tool is very useful. So I'm just gonna let it collect its data. So thank you guys.